Hi, this is Macy with C&B Operations. Today, we will be going through how to create a John Deere Operations Center account. First, we will go to our browser. Google Chrome is recommended. In the search bar, type Digital Tools John Deere. Select the first result that appears. From the Digital Tools page, we can see all the offerings from John Deere, from Operations Center, John Deere Financial, and much, much more. In the top right of the page, click Create an Account. Here, we will select a category that describes us best. For these purposes, I will select Agriculture. Now we can select a focus. Ag retailer, being someone who is selling seed or chemical. An ag service provider, someone who is doing custom application or providing agronomy services. Bedded crop grower, dairy and livestock producer, farmer producer, tree crop grower, and vine crop grower. Next, we will need to enter in a username and email address. For the username, you have the option to use an email address. But if you needed to change your email address at any time, your username would remain the same. Please use an email address that does not already have an Operations Center account associated with it. If your email has an Operations Center associated with it, click the We recommend to use this existing account. Otherwise, click Submit for email verification. Now we will need to open our email to get our verification code. Use the email on your desktop or open another tab at the top of the screen to get your verification code. Here we will take this verification code and enter it in the John Deere Onboarding tab. Now you can verify your email. For this next page, you will need to enter in your name, phone, and address. Now we can create a password. Choose a password that you will remember and follows all of the guidelines outlined here. Once you have a strong password, click Create Password. Now we will enter in a name for our organization. It is best to use your business's name. In the legal name category, you would want to enter the name that matches your business name on your tax forms. If you are not using this for a business and you are only using Operations Center for your personal use, select Organization is for personal use. Then you will not need to enter a legal name. Then select Next. Once you have gone over the terms and conditions, you can click the checkbox. Then click Next. Now you will be prompted to add your equipment. You can add your equipment now by serial number or not serial number, or you can add equipment later. Now you have the option to decline or accept the JD Link Telematics Service Agreement. Once you have gone over that, click the checkbox and click Accept. Now you have the option to choose your John Deere dealer. Your closest dealer will automatically pre-populate. You also have the option to choose a different dealer here. You can choose whether you would like to share data with your dealer or not. Then click Complete Setup. Welcome to your new John Deere Operations Center account.